So I just made the best croutons ever. This was with, I bought two of them, so it was a full sheet, so, of Focaccia bread. And we obviously couldn't eat it all in one sitting. So I cubed it, I laid it flat, I sprayed just a little bit of oil on the top, and then I did two versions. I put Kinder Santa Maria on one batch and their Mediterranean on the other. And they are the best croutons I've ever had. Anyway, I put them on the sheet, sprayed it with a little bit, put the seasoning on there, and baked them in the oven on 350 for maybe 10-15 minutes, just until I could smell the seasoning. And then I checked, and it was just getting golden brown, and as it cools, it's getting darker. And then my experiment is for long-term storage in a jar on a shelf, because otherwise they'll go rancid. So I don't have enough room for, this is 6 quart jars of croutons, and I baked them at 350 degrees. I put them in the jar, and then I put them at, not 350, 250 for an hour, and let it sit. And that's the way you do walnuts. And so I'm hoping that these will last as long as walnuts do, or the nuts, because the walnuts, when you store them for a long period of time, just even if you vacuum seal them, the oil oozes out. But if you bake them like this, 250 for an hour, let them seal, they last forever on a shelf. Forever. Like years and years and years, without getting all gross and oily and all that. But I just had to share.